Hey, here's a fire truck. Pattaya must be on fire. No, wait, this guy is shaking off the dust. It's only a movie. They are making a movie right here in Pattaya, Thailand. Wow, look at all that stuff. They have tons of equipment. I bet you there's at least 25 trucks in this line. Wow, this is a major motion picture. I was just walking down the street and I bumped into this by accident. I had no idea this stuff would even be here today. Let me Google films in production in Thailand. Well, I brought that up on my cell phone, and you wouldn't believe how clueless Google is. I'll just wait till I get back to the shack, and I'll Google it from my computer and see what comes up. They have electrical cables all over the place. So you have to be careful where you step when you're walking around on a movie set. This is definitely a multi-million-dollar production. I do not know much about comic book characters, but I think Red Dagger is one. No photography. Farhan Akhtar from India has the starring role in this flick. Apparently, from the press over in India, this is an Indian film with Indian actors doing a Marvel Comics Disney film. This is something happening right here in Pattaya. And apparently they will have some serious special effects. Also, what I understand from the Indian press, this movie filming is supposed to be a secret. But it's all over the Indian press, so everybody knows about it now. Now, I cannot pronounce the name of the female star, so you will need to read the description. I will post her name there. The female star is apparently a Pakistani American girl from Jersey City, New Jersey. Just look at all this heavy artillery. Now, for the life of me, I cannot figure out why they would want to keep this production a secret. You would think the way costs are so high and publicity is hard to get, they would be out for any ounce of publicity they could possibly get. Well, I used to be a promoter of hard rock heavy metal bands back in the 80s and early 90s. So I know a little bit about promotion. And I also worked on the feature film, The Last Road to Cambodia. Yes, folks, things will turn around now. Marvel Comics is in town. Bananas for the monkey crew. That is the set out there. Hello. What's the name of the film they're working on?
Can't tell.
Who?
Can't tell you.
Can't tell me.
Yes, sorry.
The Indian press does not even know the title of this production. If you ask me, I think the producers of the movie are not sure if this is going to be a feature film or a TV series. Okay. Just for the record, I do know a great deal about the film, movie, modeling, photography industry here in Thailand. And the thing is, 90% of it cannot be printed or published or put on the internet or put on film in any way because some people would be seriously offended by what I know. So you would have to contact me personally, probably meet me in person, and we can discuss things that you need to know if you are a small, independent filmmaker or photographer who wants to come to Thailand. Things you will not see in any book or on anybody's YouTube channel. working visa. Nobody wants. We have just completed walking down. Now we are going to walk back up. Now if you notice, these trucks and buses and cars and vans are all double parked. They are taking up 2 lanes on Beach Road. There's probably a total of at least maybe 50 vehicles here. This guy here has a piece of paper at his dashboard that says Bengal on it. They're from Bengal. Indian. It might be. I don't know. I think it's not too bad. Bengal. I think it's an Indian. Next time you watch a film and in the credits you see transportation captain, that's the person who has to get everybody to and from the film shoot and keep track of all these vehicles. SFX. They're shooting in here. Always have to hurry up and go. That's the wardrobe department. Yeah. Ooh. That's single file. I don't know. The Winnie Bagel. Assistant director. VFX is the visual special effects, stuff that is done with the camera or with editing. The FX department are the people that do the explosions and car wrecks and that kind of stuff. Okay, folks, I have plenty more great footage still to come your way, so please like and subscribe.